Good morning. So, I had a subscriber, thank you very much by the way, ask for a lime dressing recipe. And I am creating that right here before your eyes. So hopefully, it'll be perfect first shot, first try. And I have had that happen. Anyway, we are using 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of quality in a dark bottle extra virgin olive oil, great for salad dressings. Now the other thing is, I always measure my oil first before. This is not peanut butter, this is honey. It came in a plastic. I don't like to buy honey in plastic because honey's acidic. Okay, we're gonna have to dip it in. And I just think that it ages the plastic faster. So you see how that just slipped out of there? That's because I put the oil, I measured the oil first. So I don't have to get my fingers all sticky or anything. Although I am gonna get this last little bit. Now I don't have a tiny little whisk. If anybody wants to send me one, hint, hint, that would be awesome. I had one about 5 moves ago, 3 or 4 moves ago, I don't know. Can't find it anymore. Anyway, we are going to shake it. So I've put it in a ball jar. I'm checking to make sure that the honey is integrating into the dressing. It's pretty color, isn't it? A little on the greenish yellow side. I may or may not add salt. So we're going to taste it. It's simple, right? Yes, it's simple. Oh, the honey didn't dissolve. It's like, wow, that's potent. The honey, you know, not only does it sweeten it, but it just mellows out the tartness. There may even be a little bitterness in this lime. This is the same lime from the citrus comparison that I did, and I dug into one of those limes pretty good. And when you get the pith, it tends to be a little bitter. So I think that's what I did in an effort to be fair. But it was probably a little too much juice out of the one with the large pores. So. Okay, I'd say that's really good. So I'm going to add some of my minced garlic. I think it's a little bit over 1/4. I think. Let's see. About 1/4. We're going to start with 1/4 teaspoon. And this is my minced garlic, so much like fresh. And then a tiny bit of salt. Sorry about that. It's going to be about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So half of the 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, this is for subscriber number 70. I mean, it's for all of you, but, and I'm going to make a salad later on. I'd say that's pretty good. So we'll try it on salad to be sure. I may add a little bit of oregano just for some herb. Yeah, let's do that. Because the salad I'm making is Greek ingredients. Let's see, where's my oregano? I think I'll just add a really good pinch, which is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And subscriber 70, if you do not want oregano in it, you don't have to add it. Yeah, I think it balances it out really well. All right. That's it. Lime dressing. Okay. We'll be making the salad later today. Bye, all. Hey, if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, like, comment, ask me anything, questions. Ask me to make something, to create something, especially for you. And if it's in my, not if it's in my wheelhouse, but if it is in the scope of what I eat. So like I don't make wheat flour yeast breads. So that's out. But if you want me to healthy up a recipe, I'm happy to do that. Anyway, have a great day.